PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair of Glen Mills offers 24-hour heating and air conditioning repair, installation and maintenance services to residential and commercial customers. As a local, family-owned and operated HVAC contractor, we offer free install estimates on all brands of heating and cooling systems. We also install humidifiers, dehumidifiers, mini-split systems, thermostats, and air purifiers. Call our Glen Mills Commercial HVAC Repair today. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Is HVAC worth replacing? A new HVAC system may be expensive, but the long-term advantages make it worthwhile. By delivering more comfortable temperatures and cleaner air, you do more than just raise the value of real estate. Before making a thorough overhaul of your system, think about retrofitting some of its components. How long does it take to fix an HVAC system? It will take 3 to 5 days to fully fix the system. It will still only take 1 day to replace the old unit, but depending on how much ductwork needs to be replaced, it might take up to 4 days. What is your service area for Glen Mills, Pennsylvania Commercial HVAC Repair Office? Our local commercial HVAC repair have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Birmingham, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Garnet Valley, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your Glen Mills, Pennsylvania Commercial HVAC Repair Office located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Baltimore-Pike-Glen-Mills-HVAC-Service.